Our carpenters choose only the finest materials because every great creation starts with quality. The wood they touch isn't just material. It's the foundation of something meant to last. They shape it with skill and precision, using their experience, patience, and craftsmanship to bring every detail to life. Every cut, every polish, every joint matters. They perfect even the smallest detail because true mastery lives in the finishing touch. Every edge, every curve, every surface refined to perfection. And all of this, so you get the best possible result, the best product, the best for your home. That's what Amyka is here for. Connecting you with the professionals who build more than just beautiful furniture, they build trust. With our new carpentry category, now available on Amyka.com, you can book a carpenter you can rely on for precise, beautiful, and lasting results. Because you deserve nothing less than the best.